Mouth position with picture. Letters A to Z. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for doll. Doll. E is for egg. Egg. F is for fun. Fun. H is for hand. Hand. I is for insects. Insects. J is for jump. Jump. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lump. Lump. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for noodles. Noodles. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for puppies. Puppies. Q is for quilt. Quilt. R is for rail. Rail. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tail. Tail. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vase. Vase. W is for wagon. Wagon. X is for bags. Bags. Y is for yarn. Yarn. Z is for zoo. Zoo.
For more educational videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to Teacher Eileen's YouTube channel. Bye-bye!